Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, in my last video we were just hovering around 60,200. So since my last video the price hasn't really moved much. We have however moved up in a way that I say this is more likely already the next move up. I think we talked about that already in the last video when the price broke above the initial resistance area that I had on the chart. The resistance ended, I did remove it now from the chart. I think it was around 60,000, okay? And we said if it breaks and sustains above 60,000, it becomes more likely that we're already in the next move up. Quick reminder, what did we talk about in the last few days and already last week? The idea, due to this 5-wave move up that formed from the 6th of September low, the idea is that the price moves towards 67k next. This is the ideal target for the yellow wave Y of B. This is not a very firm target. We have to hold our expectations loosely. I've been telling you that for the last few days because of the corrective rallies that we've seen since the 5th of August low, and also the latest rally here from the 6th of September low seems to be a larger ABC structure, and the A wave, which we have on the smaller time frame in white, yeah, is a diagonal pattern. So it's a highly speculative scenario and very fragile. But yeah, don't forget about this target 67k. Therefore the market is simply just moving, gravitating, even though it's okay, gravitating to the upside, okay, now moving towards it, getting attracted by it, and this level acts as a magnet because it is the 100% extension of the initial rally that happened between the 5th of August to the 8th of August. And all I can say, we're moving closer towards it. Yeah. In one of our updates for Bitcoins, I do share it. For example, every few days I share the daily chart with our members as well. Obviously we do it in the videos, but there's just a special section for our gold members about long-term updates. So I cover the daily chart. So for example, on the 14th of September, I already highlighted that so the 100% extension level, which is an ideal target for circle wave Y, is located at 67,300. To reach the first ideal target of white wave 3, however, and this is the other target, I'm just reading this out here, the price would need to reach 74k. So this is some kind of a target zone, but I will only focus on it as long as support levels are holding. So let's go back to the smaller time frame. Bear in mind as well, before I forget, that tomorrow we have it's Fed Day, how we all love them. It's Fed Day, and well, it's going to be probably the first interest rate reduction in a long time. It's between, I think, 50 basis points and 25, so it's going to be volatile. Even though I have to say that Bitcoin's action was quite weak, wasn't so volatile during the last few Fed days, but still is worth watching for some action. Okay, being prepared for it. You want to prepare for different scenarios. And essentially what my view is here now, because we had the 5-wave move up, we dipped into support, there was a pullback. I did take that support area off the chart now. Maybe I should add it again because it's possible we test it once more, and I will explain why. But this was my support area, not this one. I did add the 38.2 fib level and the price reacted to it. Okay, here. And we now have a rally. So this was the wave B support area. I could have formed a larger wave B. That's still technically possible. So what I've done today, I've added this upper support area. So like upper micro support is between 58,322. And as long as we're holding above it, I think the next move up is underway. And that could be, yeah, white wave C. There are many ways how this could unfold. So I have intentionally not labeled the absolute micro levels here because people would get frustrated because it's likely going to change. That's what that structure is telling me. It's likely going to change. So I'm working with fib levels here. So 58,322, as long as we're holding above it, the market can move higher more directly in circle wave C to the upside to around about 67k. Any break below 58,320, which is here from the upper support area, the lower boundary, just tidy that up here, would likely make the lower support zone relevant again. So we could then in this case test it again. And quick reminder that our support was here around 54,300. I haven't adjusted it properly. Yeah, 54,300 was support. And it could still be support. Should we dip below the upper support, the market could do this and attempt another rally from below. So that is my idea. Okay, two scenarios. I think it's especially important to be prepared for both because of the event that's coming up tomorrow. So because of the breakout to the upside, even though it's kind of stalling right now, but because of that breakout, I think I'm watching for direct move up. Okay, but what happens if upper support breaks? As I said, we can't be too confident about the microstructures here, not at the moment at least, and therefore we have a lower support area again. But below 54,300, yeah, I think it opens the trapdoor down to 43K, as you know. That's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.